Alright, window smoke. You stand in the corner next to the trash can. Aim in between here, right there, and you hold D or hold whatever you move to the right with, and jump to. That should land in window nice and easily. This is the most consistent lineup I found. I tried quite a lot of lineups, and this was the most consistent one I found. Short smoke. Go next to the stairs there in the corner, and aim on the top of the door. And let's get them for that. Should land nicely on short. It's a pretty easy lineup. Covers the entire thing. Connector smoke. Go in the corner here. Aim on the top of the arrow, right here. About here. It's not a strict lineup. About there, on the top of the arrow on the rug. Left click jump in. Landing connector nicely.